You may have heard a lot about superfoods. Well, what are superfoods, and should you be eating them? What's really interesting about superfoods is they're nothing new, nothing man invented. They've been with us for centuries. They're merely foods that scientists are now discovering have many, many, many health benefits. And all these health benefits are due to the presence of natural materials called phytochemicals in all these foods. Some great examples of superfoods are the pomegranate. Actually, it was from ancient Persia. It's got a lot of heart health benefits and anti-aging benefits due to the natural antioxidants that are in pomegranate. Spinach is a great example of a superfood, very high in vitamins, minerals, as well as calcium. Two superfoods that people love the most are red wine and dark chocolate, both of which have powerful anti-aging compounds in them that nature provides. And again, I said superfoods are all from nature, although chocolate and wine don't really look like they grew on a tree. Remember, wine is nothing more than fermented grapes, and chocolate comes from the cacao plant that grows around the equator. Another very ancient superfood that we all eat every day is whole grain wheat. These are whole grains of wheat, and they contain many, many beneficial phytochemicals, including natural fiber and natural antioxidants, and have been shown to have a lot of anti-aging and anti-disease properties. So eat closer to nature, and you will be eating superfoods every day.